Welcome back, YouTube. How are you doing? Today we're doing the American Racing rear quarter panel glass American flag in black, and comes shipped in this, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, grab your Windex, your paper towel, wash the window, wax on, wax off. Here's what comes in the package. You got your two graphics, so we have to cut them apart. A squeegee, instructions. So you want to cut it nice and close to the black, to the actual vinyl, but don't cut the vinyl, obviously. And since it's been rolled up in the little round thing, the tape's not holding it everywhere. So once you get it all cut, go from the inside out and just press hard and get the tape to connect to all the vinyl again, otherwise you're going to have problems. So there's a couple different ways to do this method. Okay, first way is you spray it with a little soapy water and you peel the backing off, then you line it up, and then you squeegee out the soapy water. The way I'm doing it is I'm mounting half, so we lined it all up perfect. We mount from this way over, it's all taped down. Then we're going to peel it, we're going to fold it over like this, peel the backing, cut the backing, then lay it down and squeegee it this way, slowly, like this, all the way till the end. Then we pull up this side, pull the rest of the backing, and then we'll squeegee it this way. So as you can see, I folded this side up, I cut straight down, squeegeed this whole side. I just undid the tape on this side, so now I'm going to lift this side, peel the backing paper, and do it again going this way. There we go. Just take it really slow. So now I got it all squeegeed out, and now I'm going to move to the next side. This is what it looks like I said, from the other side. Now what you're going to do to make it come off easy is you're going to drench it with Windex. Let it soak for a little bit, and then it should peel right off. Alright, so this is all nice and wet. Now we're going to really slowly peel. And just make sure nothing is still sticking to the tape. If it is, then put it back down and squeegee it with your finger, and then peel it slowly until it all is stuck to the window and nothing stuck to the tape. This is what it looks like after I peel the paper. Let it dry. No bubbles, no creases. It's nice. It's not noticeable enough to where it's gaudy, but it's noticeable when you're up close. But I think when you're driving and you're just going by people on the freeway, they won't even see it. So it's nice. The fitment for the window is damn near perfect. So whoever designed it did a really good job. It's really close on both sides. So you just have to be careful that you line it up correctly before you go ahead and set it. I'd like to thank everybody for coming and checking out my video. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you hated it, hit that dislike button. I don't care. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. If you want to call me a fat bastard, put that down below. Till next time, wrench on.